Now let's talk about the bid lifecycle. This is the sequence of stages involved in the bid process, from the initial opportunity to the very end. The bid lifecycle provides a structured framework. It's not always a rigid, linear process. It can be dynamic and iterative. But understanding these key stages is essential for effective bid management. ECDIS. The lifecycle begins with identifying potential opportunities. This can involve monitoring public portals, industry publications, engaging with existing clients, networking, and industry events. Once an opportunity is identified, we move to qualification, deciding if it's worth pursuing. This involves using a go-no-go framework to assess things like strategic fit, resource availability, probability of win, and profitability. This framework typically involves assessing the opportunity against a predefined set of criteria, such as investing time and resources and thoroughly evaluating opportunities upfront prevents organizations from chasing unsuitable bids and wasting valuable resources. A poorly qualified opportunity, regardless of the quality of the final proposal, has a low chance of success. If we decide to pursue an opportunity, the next step is to thoroughly analyze the RFP. This means carefully reviewing all sections, identifying key requirements, understanding the evaluation criteria, determining mandatory elements, developing a compliance matrix, and asking clarification questions to the client. With a clear understanding of the RFP, we can develop our bid strategy and plan. This involves defining our win strategy, conducting competitive analysis, developing the proposed solution, defining our value proposition, developing the commercial strategy and pricing, assigning roles and responsibilities to the team, creating a detailed bid plan and schedule, and planning the proposal content and structure. This is where we actually create the proposal document. It's a collaborative effort involving content creation, incorporating win themes, developing visuals, ensuring compliance and accuracy, collaboration, and managing versions and documents. Before submitting, the proposal needs to be reviewed and approved. This often involves multiple levels of review, such as subject matter expert (SME) review, when technical experts review the proposed solution and technical content for accuracy and feasibility. Commercial review, finance and commercial teams review the pricing, terms, and commercial aspects of the proposal. Management review, senior management reviews the overall proposal strategy, key messages, and risks. Editorial review, professional editors review the proposal for clarity, grammar, spelling, and consistency in style and tone. And compliance review, a dedicated review to ensure that all RFP requirements have been addressed and the proposal is fully compliant. The final step before the client evaluates our proposal is the submission itself. This requires final proofreading and quality checks, formatting and packaging the proposal according to the RFP instructions, securing necessary signatures and approvals, and submitting the proposal on time. The bid lifecycle doesn't end with submission. We need to acknowledge receipt, respond to any clarification questions from the client, prepare for potential presentations or interviews, monitor the evaluation process, conduct a win/loss analysis to learn and improve, document lessons learned, and manage our relationship with the client. In summary, the bid lifecycle is a comprehensive process that requires careful management of each stage. By understanding and mastering each phase, organizations can significantly improve their bidding effectiveness.